Oh my! Oh my gosh! Buy ice cream.
Goodbye.
Oh no, Mimar! Hi guys, we're here in Florence. And that's the Ponte Vecchio. Bye! Sobrang init. It's nearly 12 and we're just looking for a restaurant where we can eat lunch. Because normally the restaurants open at 11:30 or 12. We're having dessert first. Have our lunch because apparently it's good, and the Duomo is just there.
Ito ba?
Yes. So we're here at a bubble tea shop. It's so hot. We're just ordering drinks. What did you get?
Dilato, next na.
Pagod na kami. Break time.
So, nag-Florence tayo just for the sake of food.
Yes, of course. Italy. Food. You wanna go swimming there tomorrow?
Yeah.
Come on, let's look at the food. It's not the same. We're back here at our hotel. We're just gonna drop by at the market. Meron kaming outdoor pool there. What? Why? Hanggang 8 lang? I'll show you our house. So, ang kalat. Other room. Tapos ito yung balcony. Yan yung labas. May nagpa-party dun sa labas. Good morning. We're going to the center to have lunch. I'll update you guys later. Bye.
Hello.
Oh my God, you're
Florence.
If ever you're here in Florence, you have to eat here. That's where all the tourists and people go. Tignan niyo yung branch nila. Magkakatabi, and here pa. Hi guys! Puro lakad-lakad lang ulit. We just had our lunch and we just dropped by at the bubble tea shop. We just arrived here at Piazza Michelangelo and it's so beautiful. I'll show you around. Here at the hotel, we just bought some supplies there at the supermarket.
Here we are in Italy, but we're here at home. But on my heart.
Oh, you know where you're going. Put it in the fridge.
Yeah.